DBrightSquad Squad! So for this DIY, you will need a fitted tank top, fabric transfer paper, scissors, fabric glue or any type of glue, or a sewing kit, and finally an elastic band. Okay, so for step 1, you are going to put on the fitted tank top. You're going to try it on, and then you're going to measure where you want your top to stop. So remember, this is a crop top, so it can't be too long. I would measure it maybe 2 inches underneath the breast area. Draw a line right there, and that's where the elastic will be placed, and that's where your top will also end. For step 2, you are going to flatten down your shirt completely flat, and then you are going to cut along that line that you created. Step 3, so now you are going to apply some glue onto the elastic band, and then you're going to apply it onto the edge of the bralette. So if you don't want to glue, you can sew, and again you would be sewing to the edge of the bralette so that you're leaving a little bit of space of the elastic so it can stick to your skin, because you want it to be tight, you don't want it to be loose. Okay, so for the 4th and final step, you are going to go on Google and you're going to search up the Calvin Klein logo. And if you don't want to do that, you can also use Word to write it out in using the font called Helvetica. You could use that as well. You're going to print it onto your transfer paper, and then you're going to iron it onto the elastic band. Okay, super simple, and voila, you have your Calvin Klein bralette. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, DBrightSquad.